If you're looking for a private, peaceful, rural haven in one of Northland's most stunning locations, this Taupo Bay bush-clad lifestyle property has it all. Located on the rolling hills above Taupo Bay, this prestigious 65-hectare lifestyle property has elevated ridges with water views across Taupo Bay, Stevenson's Island, and the Cavalli Islands in the distance. Hectares of beautiful native bush and sunny, warm lower flats make this property a bush lover's dream location. There is a half barn near the top entrance with an open bay shed and workers' cottage tucked away in a sunny, sheltered grove. The cottage features solar power and water tank with the open plan lounge, dining and kitchen areas opening onto the sunny patio. 3 bedrooms, a bathroom and a 2-car carport makes this an ideal holiday home or temporary accommodation while you build your dream home on the spectacular lifestyle block. This land was heavily milled for kauri and totara in the late 1800s. Today there are very old prairie trees and regenerated native bush including totara and kauri and plenty of tea tree for firewood. Spring-fed ponds, creek and gravity-fed water provide stock water for the cattle grazing the property, and there are 10 electric fence paddocks. Quad bike tracks provide access down to the lower sheltered flats. A legal right-of-way from the lower eastern boundary provides access through to Taupo Bay Road and to the beach beyond. Taupo Bay is known as a surfers' beach and favourite holiday location with stunning views, blue waters and sandy beach to launch your boat. Only 20 minutes to Maunganui and Doubtless Bay and 55 minutes to Kerikeri in the Bay of Islands. To view, contact me, Leonie, One Agency, Far North.